So here is how you can join two paths inside Adobe Illustrator. So here I have two lines and I want the end of these lines to be joined. And there's a couple of ways we can do this, but let's start off with the most simple one, which is simply to select the pen tool, then go to the end of one of these lines until it says anchor. Then click one time at the anchor point and go to the anchor point you wanted to join, which is over here, until it says anchor again, and you will have this small icon next to the cursor. Click one time at the anchor point, and now the lines are joined together and we can test it with the direct selection tool. They moved at the same time, so it means they are joined. So let's go back. Now if we just want to join them directly together without a line between them, there's also a couple of ways to do this. One simple way would be to pick the direct selection tool right here, the white arrow. Then make sure you go to View and check Snap to Point. This will make it easier to stack the anchor points. After doing that, we select the anchor point we want to move, and then grab the anchor point and move it to the other anchor point until it snaps like this. It has to say anchor point before it's correct. Now the two anchor points are stacked on top of each other, so now we need to select both anchor points, then go to Object, go to Paths and click Join. The hotkey for this is CTRL J or Command J on Mac. Now the anchor points are joined together and we can move this wherever we want it to be. Now let me go back and show you a cool trick we can do. So here we are again with the two lines, but this time instead of manually stacking these two anchor points on top of each other, we simply pick the direct selection tool again, then select both anchor points we want to join, and this time we go directly to Object, then go to Path, and then go to this one that says Average. The hotkey for this is Alt-Control J or Command-Option-J on Mac. Click this one, then check this box that says Both, and what this will do is aligning these two anchor points horizontally and also vertically in the middle of the two anchor points. So if I click OK, now the two anchor points are stacked on top of each other in the average of their locations. Now we simply need to make sure that both anchor points are selected, and then simply click Ctrl or Command J to join them together. You could also go to Object and join them like this. Now you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.